Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to the channel. And if it is your first time here, my name is Gigo, and today we continue with the beach project, the roofing work.
So the painting is on, as you can see. Using the waterproof paint so that at least it may have some protection. As I told you, like you have to deck everything with a red wood, a very hard wood boards. Cover it up all so that when you put this on it, then it may just act like mm, a waterproof to the wood. So for that, you can step everywhere. Yeah, that is how it is, and it lasts longer than any other roof because it's not beaten by the breeze or anything. Yeah, it may be there, just change color, but still be there. So I don't take much risk at the seaside, so I want to use it. You're doing the painting, the water-based waterproof paint is what we're using. This is the fiber-based paint. I can take you through so that you see what is at the top. From the entrance, you enter. This is the staircase. I'm into the first floor. You have this angle here where you can see the living room when you are at the upper side. That's the living room. With this, you can only move into the ceiling here. Climbing a step into the ceiling. One thing I hate is that when you put a poly tank somewhere at the up here, then it becomes very, very difficult to clean it. So this is the poly tank area. This is the poly tank area here. You just walk there. So you can see this is all the ceiling. When maybe there is a problem on electricity, anything, you can just access the ceiling and then work on. So it is easier, very, very easier working at the top here. Very, 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 very easy. Working at the top here. Yes. So that's it. That's the height of the roof. You can even set a small bed somewhere here and then access it. So It's very easy, very very easy to access it. Yes. Just climbing up so you can see the roof plan as it designed. Preparing for the roof. The sun is scorching, so it look like not more clearer. Preparing the roofing sheet. As you can see, I've already told you it's closer to the sea, so I don't take risk. The asbestos is better at the seaside, so we give a protective coat to it. This is a waterproof paint which may soak into the materials, but with time even still there. It is very expensive to do when you want to do and do it well, because with this like you have the roof like this, the roofing members like this, you have to cover top, cover all with red wood like a decking. So when you put the asbestos on, you can work at every part of it. You can work on it just everywhere like that, and it's stable and it may stay for longer years. That is how it is. But to deck with the redwood all around, that becomes the problem. That becomes very expensive. That make it very expensive. So you deck everything, not using the plywood. When there is a little leakage, there may be rotten. Especially you can see that in the fet roofing sometimes.
So this is how far we've come in a year. It's been a journey, but building is a step by step process. So you just take your time to do what you can at a given time. Don't let anybody rush you, to just send the money, bring the money to do it in a go. Take your time and just do it right, because during the process you will learn a lot. If you rush the whole process, you will miss so many things. Things that you want to change, you will miss all of it. And when the finishing is done, you will realize that this is not the space that you want. This is not what you actually want. So if it's your first time here, this is the 5 bedroom house, and the size of this house is 52 feet by 43 feet. So that means that if we adjust the size a little bit, we can easily fit this on a half plot. So just imagine this one has a whole plot, full plot, and we've managed to put this, almost on a half plot. You could see the space around, to have a compound. You can easily have your garden. You have a whole half plot to play around. So this is, what we do at Gigo Production Group. We just don't take your projects. We ask questions to make sure that you know what you want to build, and we try to work together to find a way to achieve that without stressing you that much. We are also building, so we know how it is, out there sending money home, and also taking care of yourself there. We do understand. So if you are dreaming of building your house, get in touch with us. Let's put it on paper. Let's work around it, and let's see how best we can help each other. So this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next episode. Look at do we?